In this video, we're talking about how to repair a generator in Dead by Daylight, which is basically how you power the exit gates and actually win the game. First, you'll want to find a generator somewhere on the map. Once you're next to it, go ahead and hold left-click to start repairing. While you're doing this, keep an eye out for skill checks. You'll need to time those correctly, because if you miss one, the generator explodes and alerts the killer to your location. If you hit the timing right, the generator repairs faster, which is exactly what you want. And if you repair a generator together with another survivor, it goes a lot quicker. But just remember, that also makes you more noticeable. So always stay alert, look around, and listen for the killer before fully committing to the repair. And yeah, that's basically how to repair a generator in Dead by Daylight. Thank you for watching.